Hey, I wanted to interrupt this real quick to let you know that it now uses photorec instead of foremost, and if you select carve the entire drive, it will only perform that function. It will just carve the entire source drive. If you want to carve an existing EO1, what you can do is select carve entire drive and then also select EO1 as source, and then it will look for an EO1 on your source drive, and then it will carve that as well. These other two options are for if it's acquiring a drive and you want to extract the unallocated blocks and then carve those unallocated blocks. If you select carve unallocated, it will automatically select extract unallocated. If you just want to extract the unallocated blocks, like you don't want to take time to carve it, you want to throw it into another carver, that's easy enough to do. You can come into carving, select extract unallocated, and then as part of its process, it will extract unallocated blocks, but it won't take time carving it. So you have that original source data to throw into something that you want to do or carve it later. I'm going to show you how to do bit-by-bit data recovery using file carving with ATRIO. Let's take a look. Come down here to the file carving option, select that, and then carve the entire drive. It will disregard any file systems, any partition tables. It doesn't care. It's going to go bit by bit and try to recover as many files as possible. Plug my source drive into the input, read only, and then my destination, where I want the results to go, into output. You'll notice that it detects 2 drives, and then all I'm going to do is hit go. Since we've selected file carving, once it's done with its assessment, it's basically going to just jump straight into file carving. Now we can see here that it's carving the drive. Once it's done, the cancel button will turn back to green go, and it will indicate done, at which point you're good to pull out your drives. And let's go ahead and take a look at the results. Looking at the thumb drive, I have collection here with the date timestamp. Within the results directory per the standard output, and then within carved results is where you'll find all of the output. You can see here we've recovered JPEGs, as well as a few other file types. And that's how you carve files with ATRIO. Thanks.